In this video, you'll learn how to reference variable names with the @ symbol. So let's say we have a variable name created outside of the query method that is set equal to some value, doesn't matter. So here we have min length equals 5,000. Well, we can reference min length inside of the query method. So we say trip duration equals, and if we just write min length like this, hopefully you should know by now that this will look for a column called min length. But if we put an @ symbol here, then it will reference a variable in your scope outside of the the data frame, and it will find it and it'll equal to 5,000. So this will return well, there's none that are exactly equal to 5,000. What I should have done is say greater than or less than. So here are all the rides that are greater than 5,000. So you can reference them with this @ symbol. So that's very nice as well. Now, for this example, I'll need to use a different data set. This is the San Francisco employee compensation data set. So one limitation, and it's no longer a limitation, is that let's say you have a column that has a space in it. So like organization group or other salaries. Let's go ahead and do other salaries. Well, as you might guess, this space is going to cause a problem. So let's say we want other salaries to be greater than, I don't know, 20,000, and it says invalid syntax. So there's a space here. Now the way Python can handle this, or pandas can handle this, is that you have to wrap, if you have a column name with spaces, then you have to wrap it in these backticks. So pandas will read it in as a column name with a space. So pandas column names can have any characters, including spaces. So you'll need this backtick whenever you do have one. So now when we run this, it'll correctly interpret this other salaries as a column name with spaces, and then we can see that it'll only select the ones with more than 20,000. So there's a couple more little good rules for the query method.